Hey, what's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an email sequence in SendGrid. This is perfect for setting up automated email campaigns that nurture leads or onboard new customers. Start by logging into your SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to the Marketing section. Click on Automation. Click Create New Automation. And choose a trigger, like when someone subscribes to your list or makes a purchase. Next, you want to design the first email in the sequence. You can use SendGrid's drag and drop editor or import a template. Once the first email is set, click Add Step to include additional emails in the sequence. For each mail, set a delay time. This determines how long after the previous email it should be sent. You can also personalize each email using custom fields, like the recipient's name or purchase details, to make the sequence more engaging. Once your sequence is built, you can preview and test it out to ensure everything works smoothly. After testing, hit Activate to start sending your email sequence automatically. Email sequences are a great way to engage your audience over time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more email marketing tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.